Alright, so we have a 2016 F150. Today we're going to go over how to reset or relearn the TPMS sensors if you do like a tire rotation or you got to get one replaced, whatnot. So anyhow, let's just get started. So the very first thing we're going to do, put your key on ignition and just turn to the on position. You don't have to start it. Let's clear these out. Okay, right up here where the little hazard thing is, hit it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Train. Now if you can see, it says train left front tire. So we're gonna get out. Come on over here to your little valve stem. And literally, this is what I hate about the Fords, is the fact that you have to release the air until it honks the horn. And what sucks is you do that, and then you have to put air back in because you literally just let out probably like 3 or 4 psi. So let's go back here, and now it wants you to go clockwise. So now we're going to train the right front tire. Just walk on over here, and you're literally going to do this to all 4 tires the same way. I mean, sometimes it takes longer than others. I don't know why. Some people have talked about having to take like 20 psi, but that's an excessive amount. Oops. So let it out. Man, see? It just went. So that was a lot on that one. So that's ridiculous. Chevy, well, okay, the nice part about this is the fact that you don't have to buy anything to do this. Chevy, GM, you have to buy the little tool that allows you to do this, which I have for my truck. This is my wife's truck, so, but just keep on going, and I'll show you once we're done. We started at 35 psi, so we'll see how much you actually lose. Okay, so they're all done. So let's go back in there, and now it's learned. Now they're all reset. Let's come back in here. Let's see if we can go into the display tires. All right, so now the rears are down to 31, and the fronts are at 35 and 34. So the fronts were on the rear, and the rears crossed over from the fronts. That's the orientation that you do. So we definitely lost about 4 psi on 2 of them. They should all be around 35. So, but yeah. So now that I did all that, I relearned it, retrained them all. Now it reads correctly on what tire it is. Now I gotta go get the air hose and fill up the tires back to 35 psi, which is what the truck calls for. So, guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.